came back. He really came back. The bread is gone again.
Again?
This is the third time this week.
Maybe the wind blew it away.
Mom, the bag is still there.
Oh.
Was anything else missing?
Not that I know of.
Just the bread. Every time.
Just the bread.
We need a plan. We need information first. Plan 1. We put flour on the doorstep.
Why?
When he steps on it, we follow his footprints.
To where?
Plan 2. We stay up all night and watch.
Or we leave a note.
A note is not a trap.
No, it is better than a trap.
What would the note even say?
I do not know yet. I have to think.
How long do we wait?
Until something happens.
It has been 8 minutes. Shh. There!
I see him.
He's taking it.
Wait, look at him. He looks hungry. He looks scared.
We have to follow him.
No.
Elora,
If we chase him, he will never come back.
then what do we do?
We make it safe for him to come back himself.
What are you writing?
I am thinking first.
Can I help?
Yes, be quiet. You can knock. We will not be angry. That is all? That is all.
It is very short.
Short is easier to trust.
What if he does not come?
Then we put more bread out tomorrow.
And the day after?
And the day after that. You really think this will work? What if he does?
What does it feel like to trust someone you do not know?
Like this.
The note is still there.
I know.
He did not come.
He might come later.
He took the bread.
And the note. Good.
Good? He still did not knock.
He read it. That is the first step.
What is the second step?
We wait one more day.
I am not very good at waiting. I know. Are you?
Not really, but I am better at it than you.
What if he never knocks?
Then he still got the bread.
You wrote another one?
Same words, in case he lost the first one.
I wanted to be angry about the bread.
I know.
But then I saw how he held it.
Yes.
Like it was the most important thing.
It probably was. How long do we wait today? Until something. That is the door.
I heard it. Okay. I brought them back. Oh. I read your note.
I know. Thank you for coming.
You are the one who took our bread.
Yes.
Why did you take it? We were hungry. Who is we? Me and my grandma.
Do you want to come in?
No, thank you.
That is okay.
I just wanted to say, for taking it. Keep the bread. What? What? Keep it. You said you were hungry. I cannot just take it. You are not taking it. I am giving it. Thank you. Thank you.
How long has she been sick?
Since the winter. How have you been getting food? Different ways. I did not know what else to do.
I know. We want to help.
This is it. Okay. She is resting. Please be quiet.
Of course.
Oh.
Oh.
Oliver, who are these children?
They are the ones whose bread I took, Grandma.
I am very sorry about the bread.
Please do not be sorry.
Oliver should have asked for help.
I did not know who to ask.
You are kind children to come.
We wanted to see. How long has it been like this? Since my grandma got sick. About 5 months. 5 months. 5 months.
And no one helped?
We did not ask.
Why?
It is hard to ask when you do not know how.
I understand that.
I wanted to be angry about the bread.
I know.
But I could not. Not after seeing that.
That is the point.
We have to do something.
I already called Mom.
Is this the right house?
Yes.
Are we at the right place?
Yes.
Can I give this back to you?
Of course. Thank you. Sorry.
That is all he wrote.
It is enough.
It is enough.
How did you know he would come back?
I did not know. But I thought, what if he does?
That is a good way to think.
Sometimes kindness has to go first.
Even if it does not work?
Especially then.
Especially small kindness.
That is today.
Paul wanted to catch a thief.
We found a friend instead.
Thank you. Sorry. He will come again.
And this time he will knock.